My page.
I just want to let everybody know right here that Aaron paid for something. He was cheap, but he paid for the bill. Tara, where's the bill?
Aaron paid for the check. This is a moment in history. Aaron paid for the bill.
Aaron has never paid for a bill in his life. He's the cheapest person in the world, and he had no coupon.
No coupon.
Like, he must be messed up. Like, something is wrong with him. Yeah, we don't know what's wrong with him, but something is definitely wrong. We're actually scared.
I'm scared. We're getting back in the spaceship. Oh my God. You want your receipt just in case? Like,
Aaron, you might have to return something.
Yeah. All aboard. He might get a coupon and he's like, can I return this? Blast off.
This is great that I automatically get shotgun. I don't even have to call it.